Section 5, anytime you have a variable in an exponent, you're going to use logs to solve. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. You could use log or ln, it really doesn't matter. Your calculator does the same thing. I prefer ln because it's fewer letters to write. Again, you take the exponent and put it out in front, take the ln of 3, and then you have to take the ln of 8 because you have to take the ln of both sides. Now we want to isolate the x, so we're going to divide both sides by ln of 3, and then we're going to add 1 and divide by 2. Let me show you how to type this on the calculator because it is a little bit confusing. I'm going to have to edit this out, I think. Where is my calculator? It's here somewhere. There it is. Okay, so now we're looking at the ln of 8. I'm going to put that in parentheses. ln 8 divided by ln 3. I'm going to add 1. I'm going to hit enter and divide by 2. So that's where you get an answer of 1.44. Over here, since we already have logs, we can use properties of logs that say if you have logs with the same base and you're adding, it's the same as saying log base 2 of this product equals 3. Then we can rewrite using our properties of logs that says 2 to the third power equals this function here. So that would be x squared minus 2x equals 8. Then I subtract 8 from both sides, I factor, I get my two answers of 4 and negative 2, but then you always have to check. If you plug in negative 2 for x here, you would get a negative number, and you can't take the log of a negative number. So that one gets rejected. Final answer is simply 4. I want to show you how to check this on the calculator. This is not something you would ever be able to do on a calculator, but it's really important that you understand how to check equations on the calculator. So I don't think I can do log base 2. I'm just going to have to do x times x minus 2 equals 8. And again, you can see that they have two answers, and you would go second calc 5, enter, 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 and it tells you that your intersection is 4. And over here, again, you would have to just know that you can't take the log of a negative number. I'm sure there is a way to put a log with a different base, but I don't know how to do it right now, and I don't want to find out, so we're going to move on. E to the 4x equals 3. Again, let me show you while I have the calculator up how to do that. In y1, you would simply do second e to the x and make this 4x. And down here you would have 3, and you would just see where they cross. So second calc 5, enter, enter, enter. Answer is 0.2747. Now, you're not going to be able to do this on a calculator. I just wanted to show you how you could check your answer. Anytime you have an e in a problem, you're going to have to use natural logs to solve. So again, the rule of the exponent goes out in front. So this really says 4x ln of e equals ln of 3, but the ln of e is 1. So you really just have 4x equals ln of 3. So x equals the ln of 3 divided by 4. Remember, you'd have to put this in parentheses. That would give you that answer. This is going to be the same idea as it was up here, except this time you're dividing. And we're going to do 2 to the third power again to get 8. Multiply both sides by x minus 5, which is where x minus 40 comes from. And solve, you get x equals 16. When you check it, it works, and everybody's happy.